everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my new holographic collection. Holographic because the inside of these look like a hologram. I created these pendants using a tutorial by Ginger Davis Allman from the Blue Bottle Tree. I had a lot of fun making these into my own designs, but it took a while to get them finished because they are all filled with 2-part resin, and that stuff relies on sunny and dry weather. We had a rather wet summer here in Wales. I am also not a fan of working with resin and managed to ruin a few pieces. They became sticky as I didn't mix the resin for that batch thoroughly enough. I made these pendants in 2 sizes. The small ones are available for £30 and the slightly bigger ones for £32. They all hang on this nifty Buna cord which I had to source from America. It opens like this. You press the end bits and pull, and it closes like this. You push the ends together. I hope you like my new collection. It's available on my website helenkawhitedesign.com under the category Collections and Holographic. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.